When was the last time you cleaned underneath your microwaves, the filter underneath your microwaves? If you have a cooktop, more than likely you have a microwave on top of the cooktop. We all know to clean the cooktop stoves, on top of the stoves. We all know to clean on the inside of the microwave, outside of the microwave, but sometimes we skip the bottom. Today we are going to be cleaning the filters. We have two filters, and a lot of people skip this, and they're very, very easy to take out. We're going to be putting two products to the test to see which one gets these grease-filled filters clean. We're going to be working with Dawn Power Wash and Easy Off Spray. So which one of these products is actually going to do a better job getting the grease and the grime off of these filters that collect dust, debris, grease, whatever we cook is getting onto the filters. So let's put these products to the test and see which one actually works the best. Okay, we got two filters in the sinks. We're going to be putting Dawn Power Wash on this filter, and we're going to be putting Easy Off on the other filter. We're going to spray them both down all equally. So let's see which one comes out on top. This is the Easy Off Cleaner Degreaser Heavy Duty. Destroys grease and grime in seconds. Let's go ahead and spray that down and see if it actually works. So you're seeing in real time how these work, how these two products are going to work. We're going to let them sit for a few minutes. I am going to be scrubbing both filters and see which one actually looks the best. I already did the Dawn side. Now I'm going to be doing the Easy Off side. And so far, they both look equally the same. So stay tuned to see which one I pick. Okay, look at the inside of my oven. We're going to be putting the Easy Off degreaser to the test on the inside of my oven. So let's see how this actually works. Since I was already testing the Easy Off spray degreaser on my microwave filters, I decided to put it on an even bigger test inside my oven, and honestly, I was not expecting it to work this well. I sprayed it directly onto the grease areas, and almost immediately it looked like the buildup was starting to melt and slide right off. You can actually see the grease breaking down before I even start wiping. I've used a traditional Easy Off can before, but for me the spray degreaser was much easier to control. I could aim it exactly where I needed it without dealing with as much heavy foam or overspray. After letting it sit for a few minutes, I went back in with my cleaning cloth and the grease lifted much easier than I expected. I still had to wipe and work on a few of the tougher spots, but overall, I was really impressed. So far, I honestly prefer this Easy Off spray degreaser over the canned version. Here is the end result of my oven. Which product did I like between Dawn Power Wash and the Easy Off degreaser spray? They both did a great job, but I already knew that Dawn would do a fantastic job because it is the #1 grease fighting agent out there. But when I seen the Easy Off, I've tried other Easy Offs in the past, but this one was different because it's in a spray bottle. So I wanted to try it out next to Dawn to see how it compared. And it held its own. It did a great job. So with my filters, it did a great job getting them clean. As you can see, they both came out looking fantastic. And I cleaned one with Dawn and one with the Easy Off spray. If you are looking for a degreaser and you are on the fence about this Easy Off spray, I would give it a try. It is a great product. If
you found value in this video, please give it a like. Let me know in the comments which degreaser you use on your grease. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. It lets me know that you are interested in videos like this. Thank you for watching, and until next time, I will see you in the next video.